How to sync contacts on Instagram. So if you want to sync contacts on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open your Instagram, go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the upper right, which has that three-dot icon. Go for settings and privacy, and then tap on account center. And under account center, you can go with your personal details, or you may not have that option. It might take some time to search, but you need to simply go for the search option, which is here on the upper right, which will be easier for you. So go for the search bar, and then you need to search for sync contacts. And once you've searched for the contacts, here you may have an option of sync contacts or upload contacts, any one of that. So tap on that upload contacts option, and it will take you to upload contacts. You can visit settings on each app to upload contacts and turn syncing on or off. So if you want to sync contacts on Instagram, then choose the Instagram application or choose the Instagram. And here, if you want to sync the contacts, simply toggle that option on. And once you toggle that on, they'll sync, like the Instagram will sync and surely store your contacts to help you connect with people you know on Instagram. So it will recommend things you care about and offer you a better service. You can choose which contacts to follow, or you can disconnect anytime to stop syncing contacts from this device. So this will not delete your previously synced contacts, which you can delete in settings on Instagram.com. But this will not delete your previously synced contacts. So that's how you can turn on your synced contacts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.